Do you frequently experience lower back pain that just won't go away? You might have tried everything: rest, ice, heat, over-the-counter medications, stretching, massage, and even injections. If your pain persists, your doctor might suggest surgery. But what if there is something more that you haven't considered? Did you know that strengthening your abdominal muscles can actually alleviate your lower back pain? Today we'll reveal how strengthening your core can benefit your back. We'll also discuss some top exercises you can do at home to make your core stronger. So stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of the valuable information we share. And hey, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's get started. How does strengthening your ABS help your lower back? Your abdominal muscles are essential in supporting your spine, which is why it is vital to strengthen them through regular exercise. A study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that strengthening the abdominal muscles can reduce low back pain and disability. Researchers recruited 242 adults with chronic low back pain and randomly assigned them to one of four groups. One group performed only aerobic exercise, another performed only strength training for the abdominal muscles, and the third group did both types of exercises. The fourth group served as the control and did not receive any treatment. After 12 weeks, all groups reported significant reductions in pain and disability. However, the group that performed only abdominal strength training had the greatest improvement. This suggests that strengthening your abdominal muscles can be an effective way to relieve lower back pain. In addition to aerobic exercise and general strength training, improving your core strength can help reduce pressure on the discs in your lower back, which are prone to injury and can cause pain. When your core muscles are strong, they provide support for your spine, allowing it to move freely and reducing the risk of strain or injury. Top abdominal strengthening exercises for back support. Now that you understand the importance of strengthening your ABS for back support, let's look at some top exercises you can do at home. 1. Pelvic tilt. The pelvic tilt is a simple yet effective exercise that targets the deep abdominal muscles without putting pressure on the lower back. It helps to stabilize the pelvis and promote better spinal alignment. To perform the pelvic tilt, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles by pulling your belly button towards your spine and flatten the lower back against the floor. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then relax and repeat 10 times. You can do this exercise anytime, anywhere, even while watching TV or waiting for a meeting to start. 2. Dead bug. The dead bug is a fantastic exercise for improving core stability and coordination. It strengthens the transverse abdominis, which is a deep abdominal muscle that plays a crucial role in stabilizing the spine. To do the dead bug, lie on your back with your arms extended straight up and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift both legs slightly off the ground. Engage your core and lower your right arm and left leg towards the floor, keeping your back flat. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Make sure to keep your movements slow and controlled to maximize the benefits for your core strength and stability. 3. Modified plank. Planks are excellent for building core strength, but they can put a lot of pressure on your lower back, especially if you already have back pain. That's why it's essential to start with a modified plank that puts less strain on your back, while still effectively targeting your abdominal muscles. To perform the modified plank, support your body weight on your forearms and knees instead of your toes. Keep your elbows aligned with your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to knees. Engage your core and hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Gradually build up your strength and endurance by increasing the time duration as you progress. It's important to maintain good form during the exercise to avoid any injury. Keep your back flat and don't arch or curve it in any way. Breathe steadily and deeply throughout the exercise to ensure proper blood flow and oxygenation. You can aim for 3 sets of the modified plank, resting for 10 to 15 seconds between each set. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can progress to a standard plank position on your toes. But if you have severe back pain, it's best to stick with the modified plank to avoid further injury. Number 4, bird dog. The bird dog exercise is a fantastic way to strengthen your core while also enhancing spinal stability. It targets the abdominal muscles, glutes, and back extensors, which are crucial for maintaining good posture and reducing back pain. To do the bird dog, start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back, keeping your hips and knees aligned. Hold this position for a few seconds, then switch sides, extending your left arm and right leg. Repeat this alternating motion for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. To ensure proper form and maximize the benefits of this exercise, keep your movements slow and controlled. Avoid arching or rounding your back and ensure that your core is engaged throughout the movement. You can do this exercise on a carpeted surface or use a yoga mat for cushioning. If you find it challenging to balance on your knees, you can modify the exercise by resting your forearms on the ground and lifting your knees slightly off the ground. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side and gradually increase the number of sets and repetitions as your core strength improves. 5. Bridge exercise. The bridge exercise is a great way to strengthen your core, glutes, and lower back all at once. It targets the abdominal muscles, which are essential for supporting your spine and reducing back pain. To perform the bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground while keeping your shoulders on the floor. Hold this position for a few seconds, then lower your hips back down. Repeat this motion for 10 to 15 repetitions, aiming for 3 sets. To engage your core and protect your lower back during this exercise, tighten your abdominal muscles and keep your back flat. Ensure that you are lifting your hips high enough to create a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. If you find the exercise too challenging, you can modify it by doing it on an incline. To do this, place a small object such as a book or phone under your hips and perform the bridge as usual. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the height of the incline by placing more objects under your hips. Tips for safe core workouts with back pain. It's essential to approach core workouts with care, especially if you have back pain. Here are some tips to ensure you get the most out of your core strengthening routine while minimizing the risk of injury. Before starting any new exercise program, consult with your doctor or physical therapist to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for you. Warm up your muscles before starting your workout. You can do this with some light cardio, such as walking or jogging in place for a few minutes. Focus on movements that do not cause sharp pain or discomfort. If an exercise causes pain, stop doing it and consult with your healthcare provider. Maintain good posture throughout the exercises. Keep your spine aligned and avoid any twisting motions. Breathe steadily and deeply throughout the exercise. This will help your body get the oxygen it needs to support your muscles. Start with a few repetitions and gradually build up your strength and endurance. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Adequate rest is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Proper hydration will help support your overall health and performance. Can a strong core cure my lower back pain? While strengthening your abdominal muscles can significantly alleviate lower back pain, it's essential to understand that it's not a cure-all solution. Many factors contribute to back pain, and addressing your core muscles is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're experiencing persistent or severe back pain, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. They will conduct a thorough evaluation considering your medical history, symptoms, and physical examination findings to determine the underlying cause of your pain. Based on their expertise and your specific condition, they may recommend a combination of treatments, including core strengthening exercises, physical therapy, medication, lifestyle modifications, or in rare cases, surgery. Remember that everyone's situation is unique and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's essential to work closely with your healthcare team to develop a tailored approach that addresses your individual needs and goals. By taking a holistic approach to your back pain, you can find relief and improve your overall quality of life. Strengthening your abdominal muscles can be an effective way to reduce lower back pain and improve your overall core stability. By incorporating exercises like the pelvic tilt, dead bug, modified plank, bird dog, and bridge into your workout routine, you can target your abdominal muscles and support your spine. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. With consistent practice and a well-rounded approach to fitness, you can achieve long-lasting relief from lower back pain and improve your overall quality of life. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you find this video helpful. Stay healthy and active.